We all know that toothpaste tubes are non-recyclable by now. But what alternatives do we really have? In this video, I show you 10 alternatives that are not tooth powders. I have purchased all of them and tried them out multiple times over the last 6 months before coming to these conclusions. So make sure to stay tuned till the very end of this video if you would like to know my personal favorites of the lot. So now, let's start. The first one is Arata toothpaste. This one probably comes closest to the conventional toothpaste since this comes in a tube. But unlike the usual, this tube is made of recycled plastic. Now coming to the paste. It isn't very foamy and I personally did not like the taste of it at all. It gave me no fresh feeling. The chamomile flavor in it sort of overpowers the peppermint flavor for me, but I guess that's something one could maybe get used to. It is available at Rs 249 for 50 ml, which is quite expensive for a toothpaste and would probably just last half a month for one person if they are brushing twice a day. The cost comes to Rs 4.98 per ml and therefore I'll be giving this toothpaste a rating of 2.5 out of 5. Now next comes Arini tablets. To start with, the tablets are a bit hard to chew, but that could also be because of my braces. But yeah, it was quite hard. The flavor is quite strong, a bit too strong for my liking even. It is also super foamy. The foam gets created immediately after biting the tablet, making it slightly difficult to bite it entirely. But it definitely has enough paste and foam to last you an entire 5 minutes of brushing. It costs Rs 325 for 125 tablets that can last 2 people an entire month while brushing twice a day. The cost of one tablet becomes Rs 2.6. I give it a 3.5 out of 5. The third one is Teeth A Bit. This one has silica gel bag inside, which I am not a fan of. But it's quite easy to bite. It's super duper foamy and it has the closest taste resemblance to conventional toothpaste. This is good for people who want toothpaste with fluoride. So this one does have fluoride. It costs Rs 179 for 60 tablets, which would be enough for one person for an entire month to brush twice a day. Cost of one tablet becomes Rs 3. It is slightly more expensive than the Arini ones, but I give it 4 out of 5 for the taste and the feel of it. The next one is a sustainable toothpaste, which is Terra Natural toothpaste in a jar. It has close consistency to conventional toothpaste as it's very creamy in nature but slightly oily as well. Taste has strong peppermint flavor like that of the usual ones. It isn't too foamy but has enough foam. One would only need like a very small quantity for usage. The bottle is made of glass and not plastic at all. It costs Rs 299 for 100 grams, which could last for over a month for 2 people when used twice a day. So it costs Rs 2.99 per gram. I give it 3.5 out of 5 because it does come with its own spoon, which is a little too big. So yeah, I don't use that spoon at all. Next comes Re-Earth Natural Oral Care, another toothpaste in a jar. And this one was probably the first ever sustainable toothpaste that I had tried out. The consistency is sort of towards a clumpy side than creamy and hence may not be very user friendly for people outside of the zero waste community. It is absolutely no foaming at all, which is also clearly stated in the bottle. The peppermint flavor I had was decently strong to give you the feeling of freshness. It has no spoon provided with it and hence you would need to use a tiny spoon you have or your own fingers. The price is decent, which is Rs 220 for 100 gram, which can last over a month for 2 people for twice a day. So it costs Rs 2.2 for 1 ml. Because the toothpaste isn't as much user friendly, I give it 3 out of 5. The next contender is Shunium, and this comes in a tablet form. The tablet may feel a little bit chalky at first when you bite it, but make sure that you wash your mouth before biting the tablets, because once you start brushing it, it feels completely fine. It has a strong peppermint flavor which leaves a very clean mouth feeling afterwards. It also has foaming nature like conventional paste. It is also fluoride and SLS free. The tablets come in a glass container with cotton inside to reduce the moisture. The cap also has no plastic in it either. It is completely made of metal. And the best part being that it is probably the cheapest toothpaste tablets I've ever heard of in India. It has 180 pieces for rupees 250, meaning one tablet costs rupees 1.4, and that is the cheapest when compared to all the other tablets I've tried, which gives Shunium a huge point, and hence it gets 4.5 out of 5. Next one is another toothpaste which is from Bare Necessities. The paste is super creamy in nature, but there seems to be a lot of oil in it. And the scent is also a bit too strong for me. While taking the paste, it leaves a strong oily residue on your hands and on the brush also. And while using it, you can sort of feel the tiny granules like the salt granules very strongly, which doesn't give you the feeling of a toothpaste. But I have to say that nonetheless, my mouth felt super clean and fresh afterwards. It leaves a strong scent behind as well. The cost is a bit on the expensive side, as it costs 150 rupees for 30 gram, meaning rupees 5 per gram. I would give it 2.5 out of 5 because of the oiliness and the strong smell along with the price. The next one is one of the first ever tooth tablets I've ever tried. It was earlier known as Dent Tabs, but currently I think it has been taken up by the Grassroot Eco. The tablet still has that D engraved in it though. Earlier it used to come in packets, but now they have packed it in metal containers untaken. I don't have the current version of these tablets, but since it comes in metal packaging, it gets my approval. Now, coming to its usage, it is easy enough to bite, but it does have a slightly chalky feeling. The foam is just average as well. It does have a decent peppermint flavor also. The tablets come for rupees 700 for 60 tablets, though you could probably get it for even rupees 550. But that's still super duper expensive and comes at rupees 9.16 per tablet, and that is definitely not worth it. And hence I rate it 2 out of 5. The second last one is another tablets one from Nature Masons. The one I have is the charcoal clove mint flavor. The packaging is fully metal, but it has a cotton pad and silica gel bag inside, which I'm not a fan of. Now it is with this tablet that I discovered that I could actually break a tablet into two while using it and still have my mouth feeling super fresh. So I then started doing that with most of my other tablets, making it last much longer. I don't know if it's good for my teeth though, but this one is one of the easiest tablets to bite into. There's no chalkiness at all. It sort of melts into a paste form, creating a lot of good foam. And it doesn't leave any residue on my brush or on my mouth when I spit it out. This one is also very travel friendly because it's very lightweight. It comes at rupees 320 for 120 tablets, making it rupees 2.6 per tablet, and can last 2 people brushing twice a day for a month easily. And I would give it a rating of 4.5 out of 5 for the way it makes me feel when I brush, and also for the very easy travel friendly feel. The very last one is the tablets one, which is Nope. Their packaging is super attractive and made of glass and metal cap. They also have cotton pad along with silica gel bag. most of them have those gel bags. When I first bit into it, what it reminded me of the most was candy, as it was very sweet and I almost felt like just, eating it. And they have particularly mentioned not to swallow, which sort of made sense now. Another thing I was not a bit happy about was when I was checking the ingredient list, I saw the presence of SLS, which is not necessary in a toothpaste, but they foam very strong and the peppermint flavor is just about right for leaving you feeling very fresh. The tablet may still have some, small pieces left, and hence you'll feel that you need to be careful when you clean your toothbrush well. It costs Rs 485 for 60 tablets, meaning it costs Rs 8 per tablet. It's very close to the other Dentabs one. It'll last one person a month if brushing twice. So I will give this one 2.5 out of 5 because the taste is not great. I mean, the taste is okay, but this chunkiness comes in small pieces, and again SLS and the price. And that makes up all the 10 zero waste toothpaste / tooth tablets that I have found in the Indian market. I have linked all of them down in the description box below, so you can surely choose the ones you think might work for you best from the links below. These will definitely help you stop using the conventional toothpaste tubes, which cannot be recycled at all. Now coming to my most favorite. Any guesses? It has to be the Nature Mason. They are absolutely dreamy when it comes to the feeling along with the price. So I would definitely be recommending it a lot. Right after that is Shoonym, which is definitely the most affordable one in the market today. I think it's more affordable than a lot of conventional toothpaste even. And I also have special discount codes for you for these two favorite brands of mine, and I got it especially because I knew that I would be recommending these two quite a lot without any thought of confusion. So I hope that you enjoyed this video because it was very interesting for me to make, because that was a lot of brushing my teeth that I did. And if you have any product that you would like me to test out, let me know in the comment section below. So I will see you in the next video. So until then, bye bye.